Hi, I'm Greg from SCT Adventures, and recently we took a cruise on the Carnival Glory. We wanted to give you a quick room tour of our cabin. As you can see, we were on the Lido deck, and that gave us quick access to all the pools, Guy's Burgers, Blue Iguana Cantina, and the buffet areas. Like I said before, room 9251 is an interior room. It is forward of the ship on the starboard side. When you enter the room, take note that all of your safety information, including your muster station, is on the back of the door. Taking a look at the bathroom first, you have your standard shower with a detachable shower head. You also have shower gel and shampoo in the shower for your convenience. There's also a pull string to hang those wet clothes up to dry. Don't forget the light switch for the bathroom is also on the outside. Moving into the cabin, our setup was to have the beds pushed together, but you can also have a 2 twin bed setup as well. Take note there is storage room under the bed for your luggage. On the left side of the bed there is a lamp stand and a lamp with 2 USB plugs, which came in very handy for charging our cell phones. The right side of the bed had the same lamp stand and USB lamp configuration. There's also a light switch on the wall over the bed that controls the lights to the room, which is very handy for when you're in bed and ready to shut it down for the day. There was a mini fridge in the cabin, and it seemed to work pretty well as long as we kept the door slightly propped open. Here I'm showing you the mini safe. Now this particular one uses a credit card or some sort of card with a stripe on the back of it. You're going to come across some cabins that have safes with key codes. The cabin had a small TV on the top shelf, but in full disclosure, we didn't use it. They only have a few channels available other than their information channels. The top drawer has a hairdryer in it. There's a few more drawers for storage. The vanity has a nice tall mirror, but take note it only has one 120 volt outlet, so you're going to need to bring a non-surge protected power strip if you want to have more outlets. Now moving to the closets. The first closet primarily has shelving, however there is a hanging rack at the top and the shelves will fold up in case you need more hanging space. There's also a full-length mirror on the back of the door. The middle closet has your life jackets at the top and hanging space below it. The third closet has a shelf at the top and more hanging space. Lastly, your thermostat is on the wall outside the bathroom. We keep ours always set to the coldest position, and that's most of the time. Hopefully you found this room tour helpful. If you need help booking your next cruise, click on over to our Syrup City Travel Facebook page or simply reach out to Felicia at syrupcitytravel.com. And as always, we would love to have you join our SCT Adventure family by joining our SCT Adventure Facebook group. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for all of our adventures. Once again, thanks for following along with Greg and Felicia, SCT Adventures, and anyone else we can rope into this crazy thing. We'll see you next time.